Bismillah salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In our today's lecture, we will study how to calculate the ranges of IP version 4 classes. As we have studied that we have 5 classes in IP version 4, okay, and these classes are A, B, C, D and E. These are 5 classes, and we have studied in our previous lecture about the IP version 4 address that we have a complete range of IP version 4 is from 0 to 255, and we have studied that for each class there is a specific range out of this whole range. So we are studying today that how to calculate the range of class A, B, C and D and E. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the concept that is priority bit concept. What is priority bit? Priority bit is a constant bit of the first octet leftmost bit. Okay, what does it mean? It means that we have the first octet value. This is the first octet value here. Okay, that is our first IP address, and this is the first octet. All other octets we have not written here. These are other 3 octets. The priority bit is the bit that is the leftmost bit of the first octet. Okay, now when we are talking about class A, the priority bit value is 0. So this first bit, leftmost bit, will be 0. It will remains always 0. Okay, so what we will do, let's say we are writing here an IP address that is 0, let's say. Okay, the first IP address is 0. Now we have to calculate what is the last IP address for class A. So for that purpose what we will do, we will put the value 0 in all the in this octet. We are putting all zeros, like these are all zeros. As I told you, these all zeros means the first one. So this is the leftmost bit in this octet. Okay, so it will always remains 0. If all bits are zeros, then that is equal to 0. And if we are saying all bits are ones, okay, if all bits are ones, so what does it means? The value will be 127. And how we got this 127? We know that all these 8 bits value. What are the values for all these 8 bits? The first bit starting from right side, 2 power 0. The second is 2 power 1. The third is 2 power 2. Then we have 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6 and 2 power 7. These are all 8 bits having values. When we are converting any binary to the decimal number, then this is for the 1 octet value. Okay, now here this is the leftmost bit. This bit value is 0 as it is written here. All other bits has 1. Okay, if all these ones are there, so what does it mean? It means that if we are calculating all these numbers, we are adding all these numbers, then we will get 127. So the range of class A is from 1 to 127. Understand? Now when we are talking about class B, so what is class B IP address range? The class B IP address range, for the class B IP address range, we have the priority bits. There are 2 bits in class B, that is 1 0. Okay, if we are putting the values, if we are saying all bits are zeros, so these 2 are the constant bits, priority bits, then other bits are zeros. Okay, got it? If all bits are zeros and this is 1, so this bit having the value 128. So our class B range starts from 128. So I have not written here class B. Okay, so it starts from 128. Now if we are saying we are coming down and we are saying all bits are ones, okay, all bits are ones, but these two bits, those are priority bits, these will always be 1 and 0. Okay, so subtract 64 from 255, you will get 191. This is the one way to calculate. The other way is add ones bits value. 128 plus 32, because 64 is not here, it is having 0. So 128 plus 34 plus 128 plus 32 plus 16 and so on, you will get 191. So this is the range for class B IP address. Okay, for the range of class C IP address, what will be the range for class C IP address? Class C. In class C, the priority bit value is 1, 1 and 0. These are three priority bits in class C. So we are starting when all bits are zeros. When all bits are zeros, these are 3 bits, remaining 5 bits are zeros. Okay, so what will be the value? Add these two numbers, 128 plus 64, that will gives you 192. If all bits are ones, okay, if all bits are ones, then these remain constant. Okay, so the subtraction is 32. So if we are subtracting 255 minus 32, then you will get the value 223, and that is the last IP address for class C. Okay, understand? Now when we are talking about class D, so the class D has 4 priority bits. Okay, class D has how many priority bits are there? 4 priority bits, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, these are 4 priority bits in class D. So when we are putting all values, other 4 bits zeros, then these bits are 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so the first IP address is 128 plus 64 plus 32, that is equal to 224. Okay, if we are adding these numbers, or you can subtract these numbers from 255, you will get 224 here. And when we put all values here, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, then subtract 16 from here. Okay, that will give you 239. Or add these numbers, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 is not there, 8, 4, 2 and 1, you will get 239. Okay, this is the class D range of IP addresses. Now the last one is class E. The class E has also 4 priority bits, but these priority bits are 1, 1, 1 and 1. If all bits are zeros, okay, then these bits are 1, 1, 1 and 1. So if you are adding these number, 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16, you will get 240. And if all bits are ones, these 4 bits are ones, these will always be ones, as we know these are the priority bits. So that all bits are ones means you have 255. So this is the range for class E. Okay, so in this lecture we have studied that how to calculate the ranges of class A, B, C and D. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you inshallah in the next video with the new topic. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.